Hi guys, today I'm showing you everything that I'm going to keep for my decor. So I thought I would just take you guys through, show you what I'm keeping. I am decluttering and getting rid of a whole lot, and I think I'm changing my style too. I think it'll be pretty evident in what I'm keeping, so let's head in and I'll show you. So let's start with the hutch, and yes, I will be selling my hutch. It is going to be not the right size or scale for the new home, but what I've done is I've grabbed things from all around the house that I want to keep, and I've put them in my hutch temporarily. After Easter, I took all my Easter out and packed it up, and I have really pared down. So these are things that I love, things that you guys don't always see. They are some from my master bedroom and things that I keep in different bathrooms in our house. But these are things I love, and they have the look that I'm going for in our new house. Don't know what to call it yet, but I'm loving these things and they're coming with me. Also, from our kitchen, I am keeping my grocery sign. I do have a coffee one that is already packed, and these baskets that I got on clearance from Michael's. I think these might be in the laundry room in the new house, and I love this basket full of greenery. And from our master bedroom, I'm keeping my lanterns and my decorative, circle. You guys may have seen this in the room redo that I did last year. Now we're outside, and these are things that hang in my front patio, these black metal squares. I've had them for years. I'm keeping those. I'm going to take them down and give them a good little spray paint. I'm also keeping this wicker basket round thing I got at Target years ago. And my crown. So many of you ask about it. It's something I bring out from season to season. I got it at a grocery store. I'm keeping my bakery rack and this little shelf I got for like $3. As you can tell, I don't spend a whole lot on my decor, and that makes it easy for me to sort of refresh and let go of things. Now, my husband built these from an old table. They're actually the legs, so those are coming with us. Now, if you've been around my channel for a while, you've probably seen me haul these items or share them in a home tour, so most of them will probably be familiar. Some of them are actually out of my garden, and most of them were bought on clearance or thrifted, with the exception of the little Target Dollar Spot tiered tray there. I am so looking forward to thrifting and adding to my collection there. I'm just keeping the pieces that I really love, and none of them really make any sense together. It's just sort of a mishmash. I was kind of surprised when I started setting aside what I really loved, because none of it is super valuable. This drawer I took out of the neighbor's trash and turned it into a planter. This is a little toolbox that my son made in Boy Scouts, and I love to use it as a little planter. I got these house lanterns on clearance after Christmas at Target for like $3 and painted them black. This is something I picked up at Ross. It's actually been a really fun process to go through all of my decor and see what I really love. Some of these things I've had for almost 20 years, like these white vases. They were back in our master bedroom. We have sort of a ledge above our bathroom that I decorated. And yeah, they've been in style so long that they're back in style. It's fun to see what I really like and what I can part with. And you guys are going to be shocked at how much I have parted with. That's my next video. I'm going to be sharing how to sell things and show you everything that I've sold. So this is just a clock that I got, a few years back at Ross. And then, like I said, these large vases. These are huge. I actually got these from a furniture consignment store. I think I might be giving them a makeover, but I really love these too. I am nervous about shipping these. I hope they don't get broken. Here's another collection of things I love. I love faux plants like succulents and donkey's tail, so I'll be keeping the basket. My map, I might keep that crate. Now these I love. I picked them up at a flea market. They're vintage. I just love them. I don't know if they go with the new house as much, so I'm thinking about those. And then this is a toolbox I got at a yard sale for $3. I do have the pole that goes down the center, so I'm thinking about whether I really need to keep that. I really like this topiary, which is actually 2 items I thrifted separately and then just put together. So I could live without it, but I think it's a nice topiary, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure about the toolbox either. I'm really curious how those will fit in the new house. So comment down below, let me know, what do you think? Should I keep them? Should I sell them? I'm definitely not tied to them as much as some of my other pieces. Inside, I want to show you guys a few more things we're keeping. These spindles I just got on clearance at Michael's, and I love my crusty pots from my garden, and a few more plants and baskets. This is actually the only lantern that I am keeping. There might be one other on my hutch that I showed you guys. I'm selling the dresser. I got it for $5, the yard sale, so it's time to part with that. And this is the only mirror that I am keeping. If you have any tips on wrapping mirrors, please let me know. And more plants that I've gathered from around the house. Now this is another cupboard we use. I might sand it and sell it, but I'm not taking it. And I might keep the wood background. That's just to cover the door to our water heater in our living room. Everything on these shelves I am keeping. So you guys are seeing probably a lot of greenery and a lot of wood tones, which is what's going to be in the new house. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I'm actually holding on to for the move. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.